A spotlight S rotates in a horizontal plane with an angular velocity of 0.1 radian per second. The spotlight P moves along the wall at a distance of 3 meter. What is the velocity of the spot P when theta is equal to 45 degree? So what is happening in this sum? There is a spotlight which is emitting light in this direction. फिर थोड़ा सा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट होगा, it will emit light in this direction, this direction, this direction, and so on. Okay, so now initially let us assume that it was having a angle, or it was directly perpendicular to the wall. After some time it makes a small angle phi over here. Okay, after some time let it make a small angle phi over here. Let the distance on the wall, this distance, let it be equal to x. The adjacent side is already 3 meter, which remains fixed. So I can say that tan phi will be equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is x, adjacent is 3. So x can be written as 3 tan phi. Okay, x can be written as 3 tan phi. Okay, where phi is the angle traced. Okay, so basically we have to find out the velocity of the point P on the wall. So the velocity of the point P can be written as, simply it can be written as dx divided by dt, because the spotlight moves in this direction and the x is also traced in the same direction. So basically v is equal to dx by dt. So velocity we have to find out. Dx by dt I have to differentiate this part. So it will be equal to 3 sec square phi d phi by dt. Okay, I will differentiate this part applying the chain rule. I will get 3 tan phi, the differentiation will be equal to sec square phi d phi by dt. It will be equal to 3 sec square phi. Now what is the value of phi, or what is the value of theta over here? If you see, the angle theta traced will be equal to 45 degree. If this angle is equal to 45 degree, this angle will also be equal to 45 degree. Okay, by 90 45 45. So it will be 3 sec square 45 sec square 45. Sec 45 is equal to root 2. So sec square 45 will be equal to 2 d phi by dt. Now d phi by dt is the value of omega. Okay, change of angle per unit time is the value of omega. So basically it will be equal to 6 into omega is given as 0.1. So 6 into 0.1 will be equal to 0.6 meter per second, which is option number A.